This little guy is an American pika. Although he looks like a rodent, he's actually the smallest cousin of the rabbit. But don't be fooled by his cuddly appearance. Pikas are built for the cold, and they live in some of the harshest places on Earth. From the Ural Mountains of Russia to the Himalayas. Right now, it's spring, and like the rest of the pikas in this rocky slope, he's hard at work. Pikas don't hibernate, and that means they'll need to gather and store enough food for the long, cold winter ahead. This pika will make up to 100 trips in a single day, provided they're all no more than 60 feet from home. And for good reason. For the little pika, danger is everywhere. When you're the size of a potato, you're on the menu for a lot of the predators here. At first sight of the coyote, the little pika calls to warn the others. But as soon as the coast is clear, he's back to work. By midsummer, the pika's hay piles have reached enormous proportions. So big, they dwarf the little pika itself.